guys, it's Kriti Bhanaga, your legal reasoning educator from 12 Minutes to CLAT, and in today's video, we are going to be discussing a very important topic, which is what to do when your mock scores are not improving. Now, in this video, I am going to be giving you 5 tips that you can apply in order to improve your mock score. And if it does help you, please make sure that you come back and comment on this video that yes ma'am, these tips definitely help. Alright, now before I start giving you the tips, there is something very important I would want to talk to you, and that is, this is very normal. It is very normal for any CLAT aspirant to feel that their mock scores are stuck. And it is also normal to feel that, oh my god, what will happen? Is this the score that I am going to get in the CLAT exam? Oh no, please. I can understand that you feel that way, but that is something that even the toppers, even AIR1 would have felt throughout his preparation. Whoever will be AIR1 in the CLAT examination, maybe possible, that would be feeling this feeling as of now. So, first of all, normalize this, that it is okay. Sometimes you can hit plateau. Not every mock is same. Not every marks are same. Right? With that, let us start with the first point that you can apply in order to improve your mock scores. Now, it is essential that you realize what is the issue. Why are your mock scores not improving? Now, as far as I can understand, maybe there can be 4 issues. The first issue can be concept clarity. The second issue can be applicability of these concepts to the question. The third can be time constraint. Maybe you do know the answer, but time is becoming an issue for you. And lastly, maybe focus is the issue. During the mock test, you start thinking, oh, what if I don't clear the exam? Oh, what is going to be dinner for tonight? Right? So, how to deal with these 4 situations? Firstly, with respect to concepts. Make sure that you're clearing your concepts through the classes or from wherever you are studying. In case any of you is interested, we have just launched a new course which is Anirudh, in which you can enroll yourself for CLAT and ALET 2026. We have evening classes, we have Shakuntala scholarship, which is if you get below AIR 300, all your money will be refunded back to you. And you also get a separate doubt tab. You get books delivered to your house and also monthly current affairs compendium. So you don't need to study from anywhere else. Everything will be done through the classes. Practice plus concepts. If you like my teaching methods, you can use my code KRITIB for additional discount on the courses. Second, with respect to applicability, if you have an issue, make sure that you are practicing more and more sectional tests, as many as possible. Especially of those sections that you are scoring the lowest in, so that your scores in those sections improve, and which makes your cumulative score to be improved. Third, if timing is becoming an issue, then make sure that you have divided each section with respect to its time. For example, legal you will give 35 minutes, English and logical 30 minutes, maths you will give 15 minutes, GK you will give 10 minutes. You can divide this way and then sit for the mock, and don't give any section more than the time that you have allotted to that section. And lastly, focus. Now I understand it becomes very difficult. Ma'am, I get it, I understand. That happens with me as well. So for that, first of all, right before your mock, please don't be on your phone. It takes us time to get into that study zone. So right before your mock, maybe 30 minutes back, start reading something, maybe newspaper or anything that you like, so that you get into a zone of padhai. Whenever in the mock you start thinking something else, make sure that you start rereading the question. You will get back to the question and your focus will also be back. Second thing, in order to improve your mock scores, will be accuracy and attempts. Now, a lot of the students think that you have to focus on one thing. You have to make sure your attempts are higher, you have to make sure your accuracy is good. But no, both of these things go hand in hand. You have to be smart about it. For example, if math section is something I'm not good at, I will reduce my attempts in those sections, but I will work on my accuracy in that section, because less risk for me. But if I know I'm good at legal, I'll make sure that my attempts in legal are also more. Because see, if you are not attempting X amount of questions in the question paper, you are anyway not clearing the cutoff. So let's say the cutoff is 90, so you do need like 90 तो चलो बहुत ज़्यादा है. Maybe let's say the cutoff is 60, ठीक है? So for 60 also you do require to attempt 60 questions first of all, right? So make sure that your attempts are more in those sections specifically that you're good at, and lesser in those sections that you're not very good at, but you're focusing more on accuracy in those sections. Third tip, and the most important, and this is going to be a game changer, which is practice those two sections the most that you score the lowest in. So let's say GK and maths are those two sections that you score lowest in. So every day, make sure you're practicing maths. You will definitely see an improvement in the upcoming mock. Now, fourth point is that don't have a plan with respect to scoring a particular number in the mock test, right? For example, you might feel, today I'm going to sit for a mock. It is essential that I must score 90 plus. Some mocks are tough. Maybe the cutoff for this mock would be only 70, right? Don't go with that mindset. The mock can be of different types. It can be easy, moderate, tough, and attempt the mock test according to the difficulty level of the mock test. Have a strategic plan as to if this kind of mock test comes, then I am going to be attempting in this particular kind of manner. And lastly, but not the least, make sure that you understand mock is only for practice. It is not the real CLAT exam. Don't start thinking, what if I do the same in CLAT? You will not, because you have already done it and now you are going to work on your mistake. See, it's not like that once you start giving the mock, your marks will always be improving. इस mock में 50 आया, next में 55, next में 62, next में 74, next में 85. No, some mock maybe you will be scoring 40, and that is okay until you are analyzing your mock properly. Make sure that after you have given your mock test, you are definitely sitting for its analysis right after the mock test so that you can remember your mistakes. Write down in a particular copy what mistakes you have made in this particular mock test so that whenever you sit for your next mock, you can revise this copy and remember the mistakes you made so that you don't repeat those mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. The only thing is you should make sure you're not repeating the mistakes, because the whole point of sitting for mock test is that if the same question comes in the CLAT exam, you will not answer it wrongly. So let's assume you give, let's say, 50 mocks till your CLAT examination. That would be so much of practice on your part that you will definitely score better. You will definitely maybe be the next AIR1, right? So make sure you see mock test with that mindset, that this is helping me get to my dream law school and not demotivating yourself. Because sometimes that also happens, that we have a mindset while we sit for mock and that discourages us from getting good marks. So make sure that you always tell yourself, this is to improve, this is to make me better in the upcoming mocks and for the actual CLAT exam. So that is it, guys. I hope this session was helpful. If any of you wish to enroll with us, we have our course Anirudh. If you want, the mock test will be delivered to your house. If you like my teaching method, you can use my code KritiB for additional discount. I hope the session was helpful, and in case of any doubt, feel free to comment and I will get back to you. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, have a great time, have a great year ahead, and take care and bye-bye.